coming and get that blue line. Coming in, keep coming in. And we're going to do blue line gumps F. Blue line, pull up, gas, undercarriage, mixtures, props, switches, seatbelts, flaps, and coming in for that final, keeping that blue line. And let's see, 400 AGL. There's 500 AGL, so then at 800, there we go, gear down, stabilized, still coming in, we're a little hot, so I'll pull some power and pitch the nose down. We got an 8,000 foot runway, so it's good, flaps, switches, seatbelts, cool deal. And get that red over white. So we'll just level off, get that blue line as well, right there. And runways made, pulling power. Flaps are in, cool deal. And shoot for the numbers and pitch up. Pulling power completely. Staying ground effect. Center line. And nose comes down. And brake, and pull back to slow down. 70 and 75 rotate. Pitch up, and we've got positive rate, no usable runway, gear goes up, and pitch 488.
Skyline 41 Mike Charlie Millington, ground runway 4 taxi via Alpha, the winds are calm, altimeter is 3035.
Approach, 63 Charlie Echo is on station.
Number 63 Charlie Echo, and earlier you said you're going to be working westbound, but how far westbound from present position?
For present position, we're going to go through the Olive Branch Class Delta, through the Class Bravo surface area, then all the way over to West Memphis.
Number 3 Charlie Echo, roger, and you're heading westbound now towards Olive Branch?
3 Charlie Echo, affirmative.
Number 3 Charlie Echo, roger, contact Olive Branch Tower 125.27.
Over to tower, thanks for the help, so long.